So you all like unboxing videos, so we'll go ahead and do an unboxing video. AP Racing Pro 5000 ND Miata competition brake system. Great setup. They comes with one of the best instruction manuals I think I've ever seen. First things that we're going to get is this is going to be the brake caliper itself. All right, they call it the Radi-Cal or Radi-Cal. I don't really know how to say it properly. I'm just an idiot from East Texas. It's an asymmetrical design. You can still pop out your brake pads from the top, so it makes for easy changes at the track if you need to. But it's a very stiff caliper, huge in size. You'll get to see that in the YouTube video that I'll post up. But pretty cool stuff. Going down a little bit further, we've got a bracket to be able to mount the caliper to the car. And then if we dig way down in here, get that going, the packaging. We've got our rotor, absolutely massive rotor. I believe the size on this one is I believe it's a 13.2 inch rotor. I could be wrong on that, but I know the stock size is an 11-inch rotor, but I believe these are a 13.2. Massive vanes. Great. Love the J-hooks. The look on these things is gonna be great. And of course, it's a floating rotor as well, and replaceable rings. So absolutely amazing. So real excited about this one.